Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the Vidal's rule for numerical integration. Now, if f is a function to be integrated for the interval a to b, the partition of the interval should be multiple of 6 to use Vidal rule. That means the partition should be in terms of 6, 12, 18 onwards. The reason of selecting this type of partition is because when we use Vidal rule, it will consider at least 6 strips for once, and then this is the first slot, and again the 6 strips, again the 6 strip for the second time repetition of the formula. So I am using this formula for 12 times, 12 partition. If we have to find out the integration for a to b fx dx, then the interval should be multiple of 6. That means b minus a upon 6, 12 or 6, 18 onwards. And if a is 0, b is equal to 1, then it will be 1 by 6 and 1 by 12. So for x, we have x0, x1, x2, x3 onwards till x12. And similarly for respect to x, we have the value of function f0, f1, f2, f3, f4, f5 till f12. So by using the Vidal formula is integration a to b fx dx is equal to 3h upon 10. 3h upon 10 means the interval h is the equal interval of x0, x1 minus x0 is equal to h into f0 plus 5 f1 plus f2 plus 6 f3 plus f4 plus 5 f5 plus f6. This is for the first strip. If you have the partition only 6, that means if you have the partition only for this portion, then the formula is 3h upon 10 and till here. And if the partition is up to 12, then the remaining part is f6 plus 5 f7 plus f8 plus 6 f9 plus f10 plus 5 f11 plus f12. Then for the 12, if the partition is up to 18, then the remaining formula for the third strip is this. Now to find the value of integration this by using Vidal rule, I am using the partition for n is equal to 12. So for x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, because the limit of the given function is from 0 to 12. So I have considered h is equal to 1 and the partition is 12 for x, and then for the value of fx we have 1, 0 0.5, 0 0.2, 0 0.1, 0.0588. For 5 we have 0.0385. For 6 we have 0.270. For 7 we have 0.02. For 8 we have 0.0154. For 9 we have 0.0122. For 10 we will receive 0.0099. For 11 we have 0.0082, and for the 12 we have 0.0069. So this is the value of f. With respect to this, we have the value of f0, f1, f2, this is f3, f4, f5, this is f6, f7, f8, f9, f10, F11 and F12. Now by using the Simpson-Vidal's rule, yes, the partition is n is equal to 12. It is divide by 2 as well as 3. So Simpson 1 by 3 and 3 by 8 rule is also going to be implemented on this interval. But the solution by using Simpson 3 by 8, 1 by 3 and Vidal might be different because it is just the approximate solution of the problem. So 3 by 1 by 10. By using Vidal rule, we are using 1 plus 5 into 0.5 plus 0.2 plus 6 into 0.1. I am just putting the value of the uh, table from the formula. So the formula is mentioned on the back side of this slide, previous slide. You have to just evaluate it by using the formula and you will get the value for, this is for the first strip. Now for the second strip I am using 0.0270 plus 0.1 plus 0.0154 plus 0.0732 and so on. Using the formula we will get the value of 3 upon 10 into 5.3377, which is equal to 1.6013 approximately. Remember, you have to find out the solution, and solution is always approximately because you are using the numerical technique. And for this same interval you have to calculate the Simpson 1 by 3 as well as 3 by 8 rule and verify whether the solution of by using Simpson 1 by 3 and 3 by 8, whether the solution of these three is equal to this value or not. I am sure that the solution might be different, a little bit different, because all the three formulas are having a convergency differently. So the solution will be approximated but towards the exact solution. Now this is the question. You have to evaluate the value of this function, this integration 0 to 12 by using Simpson 1 by 3, 3 by 8 as well as the Vidal's rule. So to use these three formula, either you have to use n is equal to 6 or n is equal to 12. I just recommend you to use n is equal to 12. That means x will be 0 to 1, 2, 3 till 12, and with respect to x you will get the value of f0, f1, f2 till f12. Now for this table you can easily use Simpson 1 by 3, 3 by 8 and Vidal's rule. Use all three formula and verify whether the solution of all three formula is same or not. If it is same, you have to WhatsApp me the solution. This is just a task, whether you will understand the implementation of this technique or not. Thank you. Feel free to call me or contact me if you have any doubt and any query. And please, the question which is given in this slide, you have to solve it and WhatsApp me at this number. Before next lecture, you have to send me the given tasks by solving the Simpson 1 by 3, 3 by 8 and Vidal's rule. Solve it on a paper, take a snapshot and send me on this contact number.